Hello everyone, in this video I will mention to you 3 things that is important in order to be able to speak basic English. Well, before getting to that point, I want to mention one small point, that don't confuse yourself that you have to know a very detailed grammar or thousands of words to speak English or to express yourself. Well, I can say you that those 3 things will be more than enough for you to be able to speak English. So let's get started. The first thing you need is basic grammar. What are those grammars? Let me just show you a few of them so it can be more clear for you. One of the simple or the basic grammars is to be. Well, for each person, like first, second or third, to be getting proper form. For example, for I, it gets am. For you, they, we, it gets are. For he, she, it gets is. And you can remember it as, you can say plural gets are, single gets is. And for I, you can say it's special. So you are special for yourself. So you are getting am, different from those two. Another grammar is asking questions. Well, how we are asking questions? To ask a simple question, you just need to put am at the beginning of the sentence. For example, you say I am eating, right? Right now you are eating. To make it as a question, you are saying am I eating? Are you doing? Is she going? You see? Just put the proper form at the beginning of the sentence and you're gonna get a simple question. The second thing that you need are just very basic words. Very simple words. Let me tell you a few of them. I, you, they, drink, eat, want, can, must, go, or I don't know, the professions such as doctor or teacher, students, and so on. Very simple. If you know some of them, or let's say there are about 50 words, if you know them, you can perfectly construct a simple sentence such as how can I help you? Or can you help me? I'm looking for tomato, and so on. The first and the second thing, which is basic grammar and essential words, we're gonna look through them separately in the next 2 videos. So the third thing, the final thing you need is just practice. So what do you need for practice? You need to listen. Try to listen to films, movies, or I don't know, some kind of chat shows, or the shows that you like to watch, YouTube videos, and so on. Anything that where they speak a native, a spoken English. That's why while you listen, actually, you are listening to a native, to natural or spoken English, where you can learn the exact pronunciation of words. Second thing that you need is not only listen, try to also repeat and imitate what's being said in that audio or video, whatever you are listening. By repeating and imitating, you are trying to be as a native speaker. First of all, if you want to be much more easier for you, you can say it as you can, then try to imitate the native one. The more you do this practice, the better your speaking becomes. And the last thing that you need is just try to record your own voice while speaking and listen to it. Then you're going to see which mistakes you do and how close you came to that the original audio. You can compare and try to be more clear or better at pronunciation. Easily, right? Well, it's gonna take you only 15 to 20 minutes a day, so don't scare yourself that you have to practice this an hour or two. Nothing like that. Practice 15 to 20 minutes. So I think that's it for this video. I just want to give you a brief information about 3 things important in order to learn speaking English. Consider this video as an introduction, and don't forget to comment below, like the video and share. And if you want, you can visit our website cn-ls.org to check our blog website, where we are sharing our knowledge about tips or essential points of English grammar, speaking English, and so on. And lastly, you can contact with us. So in order to share your feedbacks, ask your questions, or to tell us if you have any specific topic and you want us to cover it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.